Hey guys, it's me Sweety, and today's video is about Halloween Day. I really want to scare those people who treat girls as a toy. So today's Halloween Day look is all about the all my girls, including all the girls. If you like this look and watched how I created, then please continue watching. Okay, so first of all, tie your hair. Turn on your AC, otherwise it's all makeup is melted down. Then applying moisturizer. The one I apply is Biotique Moisturizer. Then I apply Nivea Lip Balm. Wait for 10 minutes so it can be deeply moisturizer your skin. It needs deeply moisturizing because the look is gonna be horrible and hurts your skin as well. Then applying the L'Oreal True Match foundation with the help of a PAC 306 brush and blend it out. It's look white cast on your face, but it's a oxidized foundation. It will oxidize it with your skin color and look natural. After the end of the video you can see it. Then I am applying the Maybelline concealer in the shade of medium. I am applying this under my eye area, bridge of my nose, in front on acne scars. Whenever I feel just imperfection and I want to highlight that area, then I am taking the same brush and blend it all things. Blending foundation or concealer is really important, otherwise your whole makeup looks very khaki. So blendable. Then I pick the Lakme eyebrow pencil in the shade of black and applying on my eyebrow with the eyebrow brush too. I don't do my eyebrows in parlor, so it's really difficult to define my eyebrows with just the eyebrow pencil. That's why my eyebrow looks weird all time, and I will waste so much time to doing my eyebrows also. Then I am taking the Blue Heaven mascara. First I curl my eyelashes with Vega eyelashes curler, then applying the mascara, the 1 or 2 coat of mascaras. It's really nice mascara, you can see the lifted eyelashes in my eyes. Then I'm taking the Bella Voste white Kajal. The whole look change with this eye Kajal, so white Kajal is best for Halloween look. I really love this. Applying the thick layer of this Kajal. I really like this Kajal. Then I'm taking the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and in this I'm taking this light shade in my grace. Blend it out so perfectly both of my eyes. Then I'm taking this green color in my lid. Pink or light color look really humble and romantic, so it's not suitable on a Halloween look. You have to choose a dark color for eyelid. That's why I choose this, so that it looks smoky and really Turkish type of color. Then I'm taking the same color which I apply on my crease to the under eye area. To maintain this smokiness. In this, I just deleted my video in which I drawn whole this girl and the incomplete eye look, in which I apply the golden color in my inner corner of eyes. The whole girl I create is with this Maybelline Kajal, and I'm so sorry I was deleted this by mistakenly. I am really so much hurt that I'm creating whole girl and I just deleted this video by mistakenly. I have the 8 video of this look and I just deleted 2 video of them. After that, around the girl I draw the hand, which I am not drawing correctly, but Messi is one of the classy, so I just left out the as it is, and yeah. Then I am filling the hand with the red color. This is basically red watercolor which we are using on the paper because it's safe for your skin and all things, so it's okay. And the hand of this is really messy, so I just remove it with the clothes and applying the concealer on that area and some powder to make up. Again, I deleted those video, I already said that. So yeah, that's how I correct my mistake. And I'm starting to create blood tears on my eyes because it's changed the whole look and it's look horrible. And for this you have to pick brush from your makeup. Your basic watercolor painting brush is not going to be look defining good or easy to draw your lines, so you have to choose your eyeliner brush or eyeshadow brush. The one I choose is eyeshadow brush. I'm drawing this line of the tears is just randomly, so it looks natural. Again, I am gonna be correct all the mistakes, but I can't. But it's okay to left out because Messi's always look horrible, so it's okay. Then I am going to draw another blood tears on my other eyes, in which I create so many tears because in this side of my face. I doesn't create anything, the girl or a hand or any nothing. I create nothing, so that's why I drawing so many tears, so it's not don't look like the empty. Then create another hand on bottom of my face because I can draw easily on that side. So then I'm gonna be apply Seven Heavens lipstick in the shade of hot red, thick layer on my lips, so it's look nice. Then I'm drawing the black kajal as a lip liner and just pressing and mixing the two colors, black and red. Again I created mistake, so I just correct with Q-tips and applying the concealer and blend it out with Q-tips. I just didn't do this, I'm sorry. Then applying this bindi on the girl face. Then applying this blood on the lips and also apply some of the kajal on my inner corner of my eyes, so it's look natural. Then applying this triangle drawing on the one side of my face. That's it, guys. If you like this look, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one. Till then, bye. Don't forget to subscribe.